which expression has a value of 24? So these are expressions. They are number sentences with no equal sign. And when we find the value of an expression, we're basically just finding the answer. We have to do all the calculations here and do the math. So when you're doing these, you have to remember the order of operations, and that is PEMDAS. You do the parentheses first. Then if there are any exponents, you do those. I don't think there are any exponents in this lesson. And then you do multiplication and division at the same time, but in that order from left to right. If that comes up later, you'll see what I mean. And after we do all the multiplication and division, then we go back and we do the addition and subtraction in order from left to right. So following the order of operations, we can evaluate every one of these expressions. So since we have to do multiplying and dividing before we do adding and subtracting, then when we see this expression, first we would do 6 times 9 and find the value of that. Let's call it the answer. And then we would subtract 5 from that answer. And that would tell us, sorry, it's really hard to write with this thing. That would tell us the value of the whole expression. So again, that's 6 times 9 first, get the answer to that, then subtract 5 from there, and that tells you the value. Now remember, the question is that value 24? So if the value is 24, that's your answer. If it's not, it isn't.